How to use two Snapchat accounts on one phone. So first of all, let's open up our Snapchat, and that applies on Android and iPhone as well. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the Bitmoji at the top left, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna click the settings gear at the top right. All right, and you're gonna scroll a little bit down until you find the last option, which is log out. Don't worry, you're not actually logging out from Snapchat, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna log out. Okay, and here you will see, if you swipe right and left, you will see the multiple accounts. So you will see under the login on your right, you will see use other account. Go ahead right here and enter your email or phone or username and enter the password of that other account. All right, and after you finished signing in, you will see the account next to your main account if you swiped right or left. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.